Hello there, and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to fix buffering on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So, to fix buffering on Chromecast, you're going to need to do a couple of steps. I'll walk you through each of these steps one by one, but the first thing you need to do is identify the app which is buffering. So, for instance, if I'm to say Twitch is buffering, first thing I'll do is I'll head over to Quick Settings. I'll move to All Settings. And under All Settings, I'm going to be going down till I find Apps. From Apps, I'm going to find See All Apps, and on this list, I must find Twitch. So I found a Twitch application here. I'm just going to click on it, and that gives me these options. The first thing I'm going to do concerning buffering is to first stop the application. The application might have been running for long in the background and causing some issues. So restarting the app is the best approach to get those background processes stopped and a fresh set of processes begun. So I'm going to first stop the application and click OK. So first stopping the app will allow the app to close, and then it's going to relaunch the app from scratch when I choose to open the application. So I'll give this a second. I recommend giving it a whole minute or two when you first stop. Give enough time for other processes to stop, and then you can relaunch the application. So I'm going to click on open and then relaunch the application. And if the problem is solved, then I'm good to go. Now, if that does not work, you could come over here and clear cache. So cache data could clock up, and the accumulation of cache data could slow the app's performance, especially when the storage of the Chromecast is already getting full. So clear cache by clicking on that button and then clicking on OK. That's going to clear the cache. As you can see, the cache has been cleared, and from there that issue may be solved. So buffering may have stopped. All you can do is open the app, try that again, and if it does not work, you could come down and click on clear data. Mind you, this is going to undo any setting you have put in place. It's going to log you out of the account. It may be a couple of settings you've put, or should I call them miss settings. So you may have manipulated an application and done things which we are not supposed to do, and that's made the app to start buffering. So undoing all of those settings is going to go a long way to stop buffering. In order to do that, just click on clear data. This will clear all app data. You permanently delete everything, including the files, the settings, the accounts, and the databases. So if you're sure about that, you can click on OK, and that's going to clear all of the app data. After that, that issue should be solved, and you could launch the application and start to use it. So if that was insightful, if it was useful, if your buffering stopped, let me know in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more content like this.